is a historic Western Heritage historic byway, and we are headed down here towards Celebration Park, which is a campground, but we're going to be going past the campground onto some BLM land by the Snake River. So I thought I would just turn the camera on for a while and take you with us down the road. Hopefully we'll find a really great place to camp.
Graduate.
Well, Kim and Daryl are leaving today, heading back to Washington. We're going to miss them.
We'll be back.
I know. And Bobby and Sharon are hopefully back on the road, headed towards North Carolina. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. They got their grandson with them to show another future RVer.
Amen.
America.
Okay, see you on the live tonight.
Okay.
Checking the lights before they leave. That's outside Kim.
Outside Kim. And I watched for y'all take notes on how those Kim days right here. And I was hoping you guys would stay.
All right.
That was quick.
Ready to roll.
Ready to roll.
All right, y'all have fun. Your hair's cold.
block it.
Oh, be safe.
We will. Bye again.
Bye. You guys be careful.
No,
See you
but we
tomorrow.
said bye too.
Okay, let me know when you get parked.
We will.
Okay.
It'll probably be about time to get on the line.
Okay.
Okay, one.
We're trying.
Difference, huh? We go from 100 to 10.
Yeah. And back to 100, it sounds like.
I know. So we're on the 50 now. We'll get to 100.
Bye. There they go. And then the tribe was two. For a while.
Time for us to be moving.
Yeah. Tomorrow's takeoff day for us. All right, there they go. We'll see Kim and Daryl again in about a month. And by then, hopefully Bobby and Sharon will have joined back up with us, and life is a joy. And we'll be mostly back together again.
Yes.
This is just kind of a cool little area. This is the Arboretum. Bohobe Arboretum. I'll have a margarita, please.
Bye, Dada.
It'd be pretty cute for a little bar, wouldn't it? That's funny. And then back over there is the road that takes you back to the campsites. So we'll take a drive over that way. Okay, so this is the camping portion of Celebration Park. Celebrations Park Easton, it says it's closed for construction, but they're allowing campers in here since May 15th. There is a day use area up here on the left with some handicap parking. And then we're gonna drive down here and take a look at the campsites. And as you can see, there's the Snake River all along. It's really very pretty. All right, so we're just gonna drive through and see what we see here. Nice little day use with picnic tables and fire pits.
Looks like they beefed up all these sites.
Yeah.
That's what they did.
It does. It looks like they're trying to lay a little blacktop a little at a time, or maybe just protect the edge of it. I don't know.
Yeah. For weight. I'll bet it's for weight.
Some nice little campsites down here.
3 days though.
Yeah, 3-day limit for camping, and it's $5 a night to camp here, $3 a day for day use.
So every site has a picnic table, trash cans, and pits.
That one looks like a pull-through.
We couldn't pull through it because it was a big rock.
Maybe park there though. Just right at the front of the site. house down here for $5 a night, right by the river. I'd probably pay that. This must be the area where Daryl was saying there was a lot of fish. I'm gonna stop and take a look at the river here in a second. So where the road ends, where the trash cans are.
Yeah, the three of us would have had to park down here somewhere.
So, let's go to the park. Take a look at the river. Okay. So you really have to appreciate all these huge boulders just all on the land, all around here. They're really kind of incredible.
You want to see how big they are?
Yeah. Give me a viewpoint. Ta-da! Now stand up beside it. And how tall are you?
5'2".
5'2". So look how big that rock is. It's crazy. I'm not finding a good path down to the river. Dawn is being much more courageous than me. She's going down this path that looks more like it'd be fun if there was water running, and it'd be a little mudslide. And she's down there. You go, girl.
Hey, I'm in the river.
In the river on a rock?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. You hear the birds? They're just really singing across the bank. They're over there in all those brushes. So pretty.
Outdoor camping area.
Well, I think this one's more day use. It's more just picnic tables and that sort of thing. Campers. Camper vans. That'd be a cool place to do that.
Looks like you're fine. Trails everywhere.
There are trails everywhere. See that truck coming? I drew the same thing. I talk to my dogs like that too.
I know, it's like, oh, there's a truck
Yeah,
running around.
yeah, exactly. It's cute.
Definitely only one lane.
Yes. You know, and if you are pulling an RV through here, it's kind of like, hope nobody else is on the road.
Yeah.
All right, so then we can take this road up to the BLM land. Let's just pass Celebration Park. No campfires allowed. So you can use a propane, fire pit. You can cook on propane stoves, but you just can't build a campfire in this area. This is the Morley Nelson Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area.
It's a mouthful.
Yeah. And there's our campers right straight ahead.
And the one sign says Department of the Interior,
Yeah.
Bureau of Land Management.
Right.